Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Online Business Strategies. Today, we're going to tackle some of the most common challenges you might face in the e-commerce world, and ILL provide you with actionable solutions to overcome them. So, let's dive right in. First up, we have shopping cart abandonment. It's frustrating when customers add items to their cart, but never complete the purchase. To combat this, consider implementing a cart recovery email strategy, offering guest checkout options and ensuring your checkout process is as simple as possible. Next, let's talk about customer retention. It's often more cost-effective to retain existing customers than to acquire new ones. To improve customer retention, focus on providing excellent customer service, implementing a loyalty program, and personalizing your communication with customers. Competition in e-commerce is fierce. To stand out, you need to understand your unique selling proposition and communicate it effectively to your customers. Consider conducting a competitor analysis to understand what you're up against and how you can differentiate your business. These are just a few of the challenges you might face in the e-commerce world. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to help you succeed in your online business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.